Hello, hello everyone, and welcome to Losers Become Winners for March 16th, 2020. VIAC earns last bar high at 92%. And it's not alone. There is others. Let's go look at those charts and see what's going on. And there it is. Oh, okay. Let me explain real quick what's happening. I recorded this earlier and Zoom has not caught up. So I'm doing it on my own laptop and see if that's a new way of it making it work. So moving on. All right, so here's the deal. We got to 92%. You know my rules. 30% or above is take profit zone. When we have last bar high right there, VIAC Viacon owes us 1069 from 2015, and they're up to 910, which is about $160 more or less when you figure in the commissions to get there. All right. That said, let's go on now to our next second in the lead is Energy XL. Oh, it is right there and there. And uh, if you notice, the system is a little bit slow tonight. There's apparently a lot of traffic with the market being as going through what it's going through. But guess what? We're doing okay. Let's see if I can get this to. Oh, there it is. That's what I'm trying to. I'm trying to get this guy over here into the screen also. Now, you know this is a ratio trade. You know what I can do? I can make this a little bit bigger. This here is a ratio trade, and what that means is I have set up this ratio. This thing is called a Fibonacci retracement. If you go and find my special on stop exits versus stop targets, you'll find that I show how to build this ratio. So I'm risking 1 unit to make objectively, and what you would say the holy grail is 3 to 1. The way it works is that the closing price is here. That's the original. You would stop, then can go here or stay here. Conservative traders will move it here. Aggressive traders will take an extra gamble and go for more if it works out in the direction. I am one conservative, 29.59, to close in the second zone. So I'm going to try to hold on to a 1-to-1 profit return. And there you are, 29.95. And we can look to the double, and the bubble says 29.55. That's exactly right. Okay, going on now to IWM. Where are Here it is. And IWM also earned its last bar high right there, 50%. And they owe us 1237. IWML is 1237, and we're at 742. Oh, I forgot to mention on energy, they owed us like 9 something, and we're now $60 ahead. I apologize, but I really want to get through this video and make it fast and quick for you. Last bar high is right there. Last bar high, guys. You know it. You've been with me for a couple of months. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, so their IWM is 742 against 12, so we're about maybe $500 short. But still, rocks become pebbles. Say it with me. Rocks become pebbles. Pebbles become profit. Profit pay back losses. And we get moves to the winner circle. All right, that said, moving on. Microsoft. Hey, guys, Microsoft. It's about time I made some money off them. They made enough money off us for the last few years, right? And they achieved the last bar high also because they got it 34%. I mean, yeah, last bar high right there. They owe us 1066, and they're around now currently at 733. So about $330 to pay back. And any out, not any out will do yet because we're not in that condition, but any profit from the trade, it's good because it will take down the owed. That's what's important, is taking down this owed money. Going into the last bar high is DIA. Now, DIA, I'm going to warn you guys right now, DIA is a very expensive. Let me go ahead and zoom in just a little bit more. It's a ratio trade, but I want you to point something out. And this is a small account, but unfortunately, I did a trade one time on DIA and I lost. came out to a loss of 1238. Now I'm at 940. It's one contract. Why? This is expensive. It's $28. That one contract is a $2,800 trade. So the word of caution here is be very careful when you get into trading. Keep within kind of relativity. My rule of thumb is very simple: 10%. So you have 1/10 of your capital in risk. And I know the risk word is about risk management, but in risk management, I did a reverse study on that. And it's very simple. If I went to 2% and the 2% says I'm allowed to risk $300 and then $300 of my entry and exit, the difference is divided into the percentage capital. It came out to the same thing. I was relative. It was like ballpark. I was like 8.5% or 11% on my account. And it was like, this is ridiculous. So I'm just going to keep it simple. Also, you know who endorses the 110? Warren Buffett. That's right. Warren Buffett says you should not have more than 10 trades at one time in action. 10 or less, that's what it is. Look, we don't even have 10 here. We have 7. So moving on, we are in a ratio trade. We had the close was right here. The close is right there, even though it's a red candle. That closes here. The stop is here at 215.58, right there. Also, too, in ratio barrier trades, there is no buffer. It is the numbers, the buffer's already calculated into the risk management here. Okay, that said, moving on now to Tau. And there's Tau. Now, Tau owes us 1165, and they're only up to 157. It's a wayward candle. This is a little scary because usually it's an indication of a reverse direction. We are not in last bar high because we're in profit zone. So I'm taking a day tripper's page book exit, which is on the high, that high point right there. All right. Newmount is falling behind. Nothing we can do about that. And the Tigers, unfortunately, are still having a problem. And the problem is this, and I pointed out yesterday or a couple of videos back, that what happens is the market makers are really playing around with the bid-ask price in the after hours. So the result is we can't really get good pricing. Now, I just found today the market makers were playing around with Bank of America, but I found a Bank of America entry with the parameters, and I got a setup on Bank of America on one of my other accounts. Oh, you know what? I think it's the Tigers. Let me go check here. Let me go check my situation. No, it's not in the Tigers. The Tigers. So it's going to be one of my other accounts that is discussed with the members group. All right. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for this today of winners and losers. I thank you for stopping by, and we'll see how tomorrow turns out. And happy trading. Take care. Bye bye.